Hey guys, welcome back to Marketing Fundas Global. I hope you guys are doing great today. In this video of Facebook marketing course, I'm going to teach you how to get traffic to your website from Facebook ads. So basically, I'm going to teach you how to create a traffic campaign in Facebook ads. So let's directly jump into my Facebook ads account and create one traffic campaign and get some traffic into our website. So guys, as you can see right now I'm in my Facebook ads account, and obviously in order to create a new campaign we have to click on this create button. And when you click on this create button, it is getting loaded. First we have to select our objective, right? So let it load properly. Now once it's get loaded properly, you have to scroll a little bit down, and here you'll be able to see this traffic option. Select this one. Obviously we are creating traffic campaign, so we have to select the traffic as an objective, right? Now hit the continue button, and after this we are into our 3-step campaign creation process. So first we have to start with the campaign level, and in campaign level first we have to name this campaign. Whatever the name you want to add, you can add it here. So here we have to add the name, whatever the name you want to add. Let's just add the name, right? So here I'm writing traffic campaign, and here I'm adding the date, right? Obviously I'm going to add the proper date here, but this is the demo campaign, that's why I've written only date. Now if you have any special category, if you want to run your ads from these categories, then you can choose it. Otherwise you can leave this option totally. You don't have to do anything here. Then in campaign details we have the buying type, which is on an auction basis, and if you click on this edit button you get only one option. There's no any other option right now, right? And if you scroll a little bit down, here we have the campaign objective, which is we have already set to traffic, right? So there's no point of changing the objective. Now show more option. In show more option we do have one more option, campaign spending limit. So what you can do is you can set the campaign spending limit from here as well. You also get the spending limit in your ad set level, but that is for ad set level and this is for campaign level. So this is totally up to you whether you want to set the spending limit or not. Now you do have A/B testing. If you want to do the A/B testing for your brand or for your business, you can turn this option on. Then you have to create two different campaigns, basically two different ads, so that Facebook's algorithm can do the A/B test for you, right? But right now we are not going to turn this option on. Then we do have this advantage campaign budget option, also known as CBO, campaign budget optimization. If you turn this option on, you get the budget option here. Basically you can set the campaign budget over here, right? And there's two options. The first one is daily budget and the second one is lifetime budget. So daily budget is basically for on a daily basis, whatever the money you want to spend on a daily basis, and the second option is lifetime budget, whatever the amount you want to spend for the whole lifetime of this particular campaign, right? So whatever the option you choose, you can get the options accordingly. Basically let's say if you choose daily budget option optimization, then in the ad set level you will be able to set, basically schedule the campaign on a day basis, right, on a date basis. But if you go for the lifetime budget, you get one extra option. Let me show you. Go to traffic ad set level, and in ad set level when you select lifetime budget you get one extra option, which is, let me scroll a little bit down here. Let me click on show more. If I click on edit, okay, I haven't turned off on the option, basically the scheduling option. Let me go back to the campaign again, campaign level, and once you select the lifetime budget you have to turn this ad scheduling option as well. As you can see here, edit this button and click on the run ads on a schedule. Now you get an extra option in ad set level, right? Let me go to the ad set level, and here you get the option to set your campaign on an hourly basis as well. Let's say you just want to run your ads from Monday morning, right? So you can select the Monday morning, and let's say you want to run your ads on Tuesday evening only. So you can do like this, right? Whatever the hour you want to select in every specific day, you can select as per your preferences, right? So this is basically for the lifetime budget only. If you select the, let me go again. If you select the daily budget, so you won't get that option, right? So right now I'm going with daily budget, and my daily budget would be around 1800 rupees. Let's take 800 rupees, which is roughly around $10, and this is good enough for traffic campaign, right? Now hit the next button, and here let's start the ad set level. So first we have to name this ad set, so traffic ad set and date, right? So this is the ad set name I have given. Now in conversions you get these options, although the application option is not available. Messaging option, then call option is available, basically from where you want to get the data, or basically where you want to redirect your traffic. So obviously we want to redirect, or we want to send traffic to our website, right? So the website has been already selected. Now here, what is the performance goal? So here we do get two options: maximize number of landing page views and maximize number of link clicks. So by default it is set on maximize number of link clicks, but according to me the best suitable option would be this one, because if you select this option, then the conversion will be count if the user lands on your landing page or the website. But if you select this one, in this case the conversion will be count whenever the user clicks on the landing page, and it doesn't matter whether the user is landing on the page or not. If the user clicks on your link or the ad, it will count it as a conversion. So according to me this one option is good, and you get two more options if you click on other goals. Not two, basically three. The first one is maximize daily unique reach. So if you select this one, it will help you to increase the unique reach on a daily basis. And if you read this, we'll try to show your ads to people up to once per day, right? So basically you will get the daily unique reaches. Every day you will get new reach. Now maximum number of conversions, if you select this one, and this is basically for if Facebook thinks that if that is the person or the group of audience that is likely to convert with your product, with your ad, Facebook will show their ad to that particular type of audience, right? So it totally depends on Facebook's algorithm, that if Facebook is thinking that this particular group of audience is suitable for our ad or for our product type, and there is a high chances of getting conversion, then Facebook will show our ad to that particular group, right? And the third option is maximize number of impression. So as you can read here, we'll try to show your ads to people as many times as possible. So it is what, so this is what the impression is, right? So I hope you understood the differences between these goals. So obviously I'm going with the first one. Then if you click on this show more option, you get one more option when you get charged. So by default it is set on impression, we can't do anything here. And here we do have one more option, cost per result goal. So we can't do anything here because the bidding strategy we have chosen is highest volume. If you change the bidding strategy, then you will be able to set the cost per result goal. So this is totally up to you. You can set change the bidding strategy in your campaign level, right? After this we do have dynamic creative option. We are not going to use this, but if you want to use dynamic creative, basically if you want Facebook to create your ad copies and all, then you can use this option, otherwise you can leave it. Here we do have scheduling option, and budgeting option we are not getting here because we have turned on the CBO, campaign budget optimization, in campaign level, so we are not getting any budgeting option here. So what we can do is we can set the start date, campaign start date, and the ending date if you want, right? And in this option we get ad set spending limit. So here you can set the spending limit on the ad set level. Here we were getting the spending limit on a campaign level, here we are getting the limit on a ad set level, right? Now scroll a little bit down, and here you get audience option, where you can create your custom audience, lookalike audience. So I have already shown you how to create your custom audience or lookalike audience in our previous videos in the playlist. You can watch the videos by visiting the description box below, and there's a link to our playlist. So go and watch if you don't know how to create custom and lookalike audience. Now audience section, we do have locations option, where you can select the location, whatever the location you want to target. Let's say the whole country has been selected here. Now you want to exclude few cities or a few areas from your targeting. So what you can do is, first you have to change this include button to exclude. Now search the locations, whatever the location you want to select. Let's say I'm selecting Ladakh, searching Ladakh. This is a district. I've selected this, and this will added into my ad set as a excluded location. Right now let's say I want to remove Delhi as well, which is the capital of India, and I want to remove So as you can see, Delhi has been also excluded. So this is how you can add the location or exclude the location. Also, you can do your targeting on a country basis, city basis, area basis, postal code basis, whatever the option suits you, you can use it. And here you get one more small option, which is add location in bulk. If you click on this, here you will be able to add the location in bulk. First, you have to select the option whatever suits you. Basically, if you want to add multiple countries, you can select this. If you want to add multiple regions and cities, states, you can select this, and so on and so forth, right? Now after that, we do have age bracket. So it depends, totally it depends on your business nature, that which type of age bracket suits your business, right? So let's say if it is a digital marketing campaign, I'm creating a campaign for digital marketing institute, so the age bracket would be around 18 to 40 or to 35 max, right? Otherwise, if it is a campaign for real estate business where we sell real estate properties, so the age bracket would be around 30 to 65, right? Or maybe 60. So this is what age bracket you can choose. It depends, as I told you, it depends on your business, and even the gender also depends on your business. Let's say you just sell a product which can be sold to only women, so you have to select women by editing here. Otherwise, you can leave it as it is if all genders are preferable, right? Then detailed targeting. In detailed targeting, you can do targeting on a demographical basis, interest basis, and behavioral basis. So it depends on you whether you want to choose detailed targeting or audience section. It is totally up to you, right? I've also taught you how to do your detailed targeting. You can click on browse, and here you get all the demographical option, interest option, and behavioral option. So I won't be telling you again. If you don't know, you can watch our previous videos in the playlist, right? Now here we do have one more option, advantage detailed targeting. You can turn this option on. This is basically if Facebook thinks that a group of audience is suitable for your business beyond your targeting, Facebook will prefer to show your ad to that particular audience, right? So this is for that. But do remember that Facebook's it is totally based on Facebook's algorithm on computer, right? There's no any human touch, so you have to keep in mind that thing. After that, we do have language option, where so if you want to target any specific language, let's say your audience speaks any specific language, so you can select that language here. Otherwise, you can leave it in all languages. By default, it is set on all languages, right? Now after that, here comes the placement option. So placement is like where you want to show your ad. If you select this one option, which is advantage plus placement, this is totally based on Facebook's AI, Facebook's algorithm, where Facebook will decide where to show your ad. But if you know that my ads perform well on Instagram only, not on Facebook, so what you can do is you can do manual placement, where you can manually select all the platforms, all the places where you want to show your ad, right? Even you can target on a device basis, where you get mobile and desktop. Then you can target on a platform basis, where you get all the platforms, Facebook, Instagram, audience network, messenger. Then if you scroll a little bit down here, you get all the options. As you can see, this is basically on a platform basis option, right? Let's say you don't want to show your ads on stories, so you can remove these options, right? This is how you can do your manual placement. And if you click on show more options, you get few more extra options over here. Like you want to do targeting on a operating system basis, so you can select this option, where you can select on the Android device or iOS device. This is totally up to you. Or maybe you want to target the person who are connected to Wi-Fi only, so you can turn this option on, right? So this is how you can do your targeting. You can use your manual placement option, and you also get few more options over here. You can explore these options by yourself. As you can see, let's say you want to exclude skippable ads, so what you can do is you can turn this option on, and the skippable ads will be excluded from your ad set, right? So these are the options you get. Now once you are done with your ad set level, just hit the next button and we'll be into our ad level. So as you can see, we are into our ad level, where we have to name our ad, whatever the name you want to give it. Let's say let me first change the name here. I'm using the same format, which is traffic ad, and here I'm going to give the date, right? After this, in the identity section, you have to select the page, your Facebook page, and the Instagram account, right? From which account you want to show your ads, right? Now in ad setup, you have to select the option but by default you have only one option, which is manual upload, where you have to upload manually all the things. And here you get few options like which format you want to choose, single image or video, carousel or collection. So we are going with single image right now. Now after this, scroll a little bit down, and here you have to select the image or the video if you want to go with video, right? So few images are already uploaded. If you want to upload, you can use this button to upload the image, right? Now it is getting loaded. It is taking a bit much time. Let's select this one. After selecting this, it will show the placement. Basically, it will show how your ad is looking in different platforms, as you can see. Now this is the recommended one, but it is not showing properly, so you can use the original one. But this is recommended to use the creative which covers the whole area. As you can see, the upper and the bottom area, or in this creative, the right and the left area is totally blank, so you can customize. Basically, you can create multiple creatives for different sizes, right? And after creating those, you can just replace the creatives by using this button, right? But right now, for a demo purpose, we are using this one. And here again, you'll be seeing all the options, basically all the things, right? After this, as you can see, ad has been properly created. Now just scroll a little bit down, and here we have to create the primary text, headline, and the description for our ad, right? So let's just write demo, 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 because this is totally a demo campaign. We are not going to do anything with this campaign, so I'm writing demo, demo. But in your case, you have to write the appealing content so that user can attract it to your uh, content, right? Now after this, in description box, again you can write demo, demo, demo. Now after scrolling a little bit down, here you'll be able to see optimize text per person. So it is turned on. You don't have to do anything here. Here you get one more option, call to action. So whatever the call to action you want to use, you can use it. Let's say you want to use apply now or contact us, whatever the option suits your business, you can use it, right? So learn more is fine for now. Now here in the destination option, you get few options, like you want to choose instant experience, where Facebook will create a small website kind of thing which loads fast and increase the experience of your audience, right? But in instant experience, you can use few of your products only, right? You can't create the whole website. This is just like a simple landing page, one page website, right? Or you can use your own website. You just have to add the URL of your website. So let's just copy the URL of our website and paste it here. Let me just click it, paste. And in display link, whatever the link you want to show to your users, you can add that display link here, right? Let's say I want to show my users offerbazaar.store / here I'll be writing properties, right? So this is the display link I've chosen, and as you can see, the link is displaying here. But if the user clicks on this button or the ad, the user will land on this particular website, right? Now here you can add few more extra browser add-ons like call, WhatsApp, Facebook event, or phone call, whatever the option. If you like the option, you can use it, otherwise you can leave it. Now here you can see the languages option. As you can see here, add your own translation or automatically translate your ad to reach people in more languages. So if this option suits you, you can use it, otherwise you can leave this option, right? because this is basically for different languages, right? If you think that my audience can speak different languages, so you can use this option. So what Facebook will basically change the text to other languages as well, right, automatically. Now in tracking option, you can set up your tracking app events and all the things you can do here. I've already shown you how to do your tracking. Even if you want to add the URL parameters, you can add it. So this is how you can create your campaign, traffic campaign, and I hope you understood the process. I hope you like the process. If you do so, please hit that subscribe and like button. Also, don't forget to share this video with your needy friends who want to learn Facebook marketing, Facebook ads, right? I've given the link to the playlist in the description box below. You can visit the playlist and watch the video where you are getting confused, right? Whatever the basically whatever the confusion you have, you can solve it in the playlist. So with that said, I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.